morning, everyone. Epilenius, good morning. I am Jasper G. Cortez, the owner of Daikin Air Expert here in Epil. Our services is air conditioning, installation, cleaning, and repair.
Daikin Air Expert is a highly specialized Daikin air conditioning dealer. Unsay difference ani nila? Since highly specialized sila, they are able to sell AC and AC related products, giving solutions, no, dili kay split type lang dayon, so they can offer solutions for all the AC and AC related needs. And of course, in terms of service, no, si 3C is also qualified, no, to become a Daikin Air Expert. This is actually a one-stop shop sa mga balay o mga projects na to, whether it's commercial or industrial na mga offices, no, si 3C or Daikin Air Expert can actually cater, selling not only durable, reliable, and efficient na air conditioning systems, but also quality service.
Bless all those who will use this building, either as buyers or as sellers, so that, respecting justice and charity, they will see themselves as working for the common good and find joy in contributing to the progress of the earthly city.
Mga taga-ipil ato balakpakan ning Daikin Philippines nga nagtabang sa ato mga local nga mga negosyante. Ang atong una-una manggod palitag aircon, ipataod. But along the way, ma-experience nato nadaot ang aircon, dili maayo iyang kuan tungod kay dili maayong pag-install o daghang mga shortcuts nga nahimo. Pasalamaton ta na amo tungod kay inyong mga gamit palang daan makasiguro ta, no? Sakto gid ang quality ug assured ang ato ang dili ta magmahay sa pagpalit sa unit tungod kay all around man pag-install, pag-maintain ug naa na di kalidad.
Thank you kayo sa Daikin, sa mga technical o sa sales. Thank you kayo sa support nga inyong gihatag nga walay katapusang suporta sa
The
mga
best
dealers.
yun talaga si Daikin. Number
Walay,
one
wala
sa Cebu
gyud
guys.
makalupig. Si Daikin support kayo sa mga dealers.
Number one yun si
Number
Daikin.
1, air conditioning. You can visit us here in Branch 2, front of Jollibee Rotonda, near in Petron. And the other branch is Barangay San Antonio, Ipil.